Hey guys, I'm Elizabeth Faye, Redken brand ambassador. I'm super excited to be doing another tutorial today with my hot model. So today we are doing a tutorial all about Redken's new Color Gel Lacquers. If you haven't heard yet, Redken came out and they revamped color gels. I am a Shades EQ color ambassador. What I love about color gels is they're Shades EQ's sister. So it's the permanent version of Shades, basically. Let me tell you a little bit of product knowledge and why I love color gel lacquers. First of all, it has a lower ammonia. Yay! Second of all, you can now use the same developer as you use with all your other products with color gels. It no longer needs a separate developer. Still going to get amazing gray coverage with even better shine and super long lasting. Last of all, we have new shades that we are super excited about that are gonna pair really well with your Shades EQ. Awesome. So today we are doing a technique where this is a grown out foil and balayage. You can see this has been almost a year of grow out, so she has a lot of her natural grown in, and this just is looking a little dull and a little brassy. She's not looking to be a color where she has to come into the salon for maintenance very often, and she just wants to let her natural be infused into her color. So what we're gonna do today is actually bring her natural depth throughout her old balayage and just bring up a little bit of lightness so it looked like the sun kind of came through and speckled a few hairs. And we're gonna ash it up a little bit because she's not really loving all of these gold brassy tones. What we did here in the back is we used 7NW, which is milk tea with 7N. We use this with 10 volume. So I brought this through some of her old blonde to kind of bring some of that natural down. When I'm doing a reverse color like this, I like to keep the root the darkest point and then fade it into something maybe a level or two lighter, but still darker. So it just looks like it had faded out, kind of like how the sun would do to our hair. Then we went through in these packets and we used a bricklay pattern. This is a great time to either isolate those blondes in a little bit of conditioner if you're not looking for more lightness, or just a little bit of lightener. We went through just with a powder lightener and 10 volume just to sort of lift them a tiny bit, so when we go over with our Shades EQ, we can really have those bright pieces pop out and have a nice contrast against our hair. So now we're gonna start in the front, and I'm going to take diagonal back sections and just do a little bit of foils and some framing around her face, and everything else, we're just gonna go ahead and pull the darkness through. A little trick I love to do if I want to maybe pull the darkness through but leave some of the brightness at the end so we have a nice dip-dyed look is I will actually blend my color gels or Shades EQ just into straight clear Shades EQ. So it gives me a nice transition with no spottiness or weird blend lines, but it'll just transition into something a little brighter without actually having to use bleach. So those are some good tips you can use in the salon. So we've now just applied the entire reverse balayage using Color Gel Lacquers and a little bit of powder bleach with 10 volume. I'm going to show you what everything looks like while it's processing. Just finished styling her. It looks so beautiful and sultry. I love the milk tea, the 7NW. It's such a beautiful color. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on another video.